Welcome to Gutter Hero, your gutter cleaning and gutter guard installation experts. In this video, we're going to talk about gutter guard rescues. Almost all people are sold gutter guard with the impression from the salesperson or tradie that you never have to clean your gutters again. Unfortunately, that's untrue. It's just like anything in life. You have to maintain things. If you don't, they fall apart. And that's the same thing with gutters. How much does it cost to perform a gutter guard rescue? To do an entire house, it usually takes between 8 and 12 hours. So $880 to $1,200. Why you should engage a gutter hero to rescue your gutter guard? The main thing is experience. Holy mackerel, has this part of our service exploded after the past 5 years or so? We are finding that most of the work that we are doing is this gutter guard rescues. It's a very fiddly job. Not many people offer this service. So the first important thing is we've got experience, but also that we actually know what to do and actually will offer to do it. Most gutter cleaners will come to your house and go, oh, you have a gutter guard? I'm not even touching it. Popularity of gutter guard has just kept on increasing higher and higher over the years. And we're now picking up all the backlog of people which were sold the dream of never having to clean your gutters again. Now 10 years later, 12 years later, they're looking up and going, oh my God, there's all kinds of plants growing out of the gutters, or my gutters are overflowing, but I can't see any rubbish there. And then someone gets up on the roof and go, oh, there's moss and all kinds of stuff growing underneath the gutter guards. You need to take these gutter guards off, get rid of them. So that's why we're the gutter heroes. We're here to rescue your gutters. The beauty of the rescue is that it allows you to keep using the existing gutter guard without having to pay someone to rip it all out, clean it, and then install a brand new one. Almost all the time, that is totally unnecessary. The product is super strong and durable and lasts usually over its 20-year warranty. So it actually would be a better investment to pay a gutter hero to come and do it for $880 or whatever it is, $1,200, rather than paying someone like $800 to rip it all out. It just doesn't make sense. So at Gutter Hero, we know what to do. We can recycle it most of the time. You know, you can't just leave the gutters the way that they are with the moss and plants and things growing out of the gutters. It would just cause a huge amount of problems. But if you're not quite ready yet, if you want to know why you should be using Gutter Hero, please click on this video here, and that'll tell you why you should be using Gutter Hero. Or alternatively, if you've got a few questions, big fighter jet. If you've got any questions, just click on this video over here, frequently asked questions, and I will answer any questions you have about our services.